Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crown Squad by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm always glad you're here. So if you want to see how I got to this right here, keep watching.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, so today's video is gonna be on another hairband unit, and this one was sent to me by an Amazon company called YWIGS. The funny thing is that the company on Amazon, like, it's called YWIGS, but then when the hair came, it came in this box that said formal hair. So I'm like, which one is the company? Which one is your company name? I don't know. But this box is really cute. Do you see that? Yeah. I don't know why there's like two different names. But anyways, so this is a kinky 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin hair, and it's kinky, and the density is 130, and it's in 14 inches, and it's in the color natural, which is nice. And when the hair came, I got these headbands. I'm like, now I have two of each. I'm like, it was a little disappointing, but you know what, it is what it is. But this is what the hair looks like. It's like a nice kinky yucky texture. I love it. And when you get this hair, you want to make sure you wash it, because again, it has a little funny smell. I don't know why all the hairband units that I've been getting, that have been sent to me from Amazon companies, like, they just have a funky smell. It's like, I don't know, what are you guys doing to these wigs, man? But yeah, this is what she looks like. I love the texture. You cannot go wrong with a kinky hair, which is nice. It's really soft. Like, I'm getting few strands, and the price was $74. Was it 74? Let me double check. It was $75, so which is a little pricey, you know. But for cap construction, it comes with like the two combs right here, the comb in the back, adjustable straps, and the headband. So we're gonna put her on. Oh, do y'all see that? I love the crimps. Like, I like it. I don't know why I don't like that it's a little humpy up here. My braids is pretty flat, but she is looking nice. Like, do y'all see that? I sure do. I sure do. Let me see. This feels very snug on my head. You know, I think it'll be big head associate. Okay, so it says medium cap size, 21.5. That is not medium. That's small, people. That is small. But so definitely be big head associate, which is not bad. I like it. I love the feel of it. Like, it's just nice. Since it's human hair, I'm pretty sure you can, like, you can change, you can color it, you can definitely flat iron it. I'm gonna try to put heat in it. I can't find my blow dryer. It's like, I'm gonna try to play with it to see if I can, you know, get it to lay a little bit, because it's a little too bulky. I'm gonna play with it, okay?
You made a big mistake thinking I would wait. You never took the time, and now it's too late. I hate to feel ignored.
this is what she looks like after I put some heat in it. I love it. I think it's my new favorite. Oh, like, do you see that? Oh, and I love that it have the little crimps in it. Yo, this is nice. So I figured out a trick to do a fellow YouTuber, Phoebe Room. So if the hairband is too thick, you can like put it back like this, you know, because we be getting these kind of hairbands. At least with this, the front part can cover it. This part, if you just flip it over just a little bit, and then look at that, voila, so cute. But we're gonna try some hairbands on.
For me forever, to make me feel secure when we're together. I wanna feel adored. So now I'm gonna end this thing now. And don't you make it harder than it is. Just stop. Don't ask if we can go back. You know that it's too late. I promise not to someone else. Don't even try to go there. Just leave it to its fate. You'll have to find it somewhere else. Don't ask if we can go back. You know that.
Okay guys, so this hair right here is a winner in my book. Like, I love the texture. See over here, I tried to create a cute bowl, but that didn't work out. But yeah, I love it. Like, for the price, $75, I think it's a little high, but you know what, for the quality and the density, I think it's worth it. I think it is totally worth that price. But oh man, let me stop. I can stay here and just look at myself in the I got two different, I got a monitor and a monitor. I got two monitors on both sides. So I can just stand here and just look at myself in both monitors because I look fine. Like, tell me I don't look fine. And then this happened, like, sis, you cannot tell me this is not my hair. It is my hair. But yeah. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram and follow me on Facebook. I got a page there, Love Your Crowns. Follow me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.